First, mSpy, the perfect tool for discreetly keeping track of device. When it comes to options for phone spy solutions, you have an abundance of them to consider. Despite your efforts, it would be difficult to locate a program as user-friendly and as effective as this one. With mSpy in your hands, you can be privy to what they're doing, from who they're conversing with to which apps they're utilizing. With mSpy, you can enjoy the ultimate in mobile monitoring. Everything you could need is at your fingertips. It provides an extensive range of features, such as monitoring of sites visited, calls made and taken, messages sent and gotten, and keystrokes recorded, with the added capability to block any app or website. It offers an easily navigable, web-based control panel as well as top-notch customer service. By using mSpy, it is possible to trace Android and iPhone users' activities, monitor applications such as WhatsApp and TikTok, and meticulously keep records of all the target's cell phone dealings. It is noteworthy that the majority of Android devices do not need to be rooted for many of features to operate, unlike iPhones which require it. With the prevalence of Android devices becoming increasingly ubiquitous, it makes the process of infiltration for a hacker much simpler. For over a decade now, people from all over the globe have utilized mSpy for their own individual purposes. It has been put to the test and proven its worth. The app has indisputably secured its spot as the premier choice on the market.